Alright, what are we doing with this rope?
Are you recording it?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, okay, you're recording. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is a rope.
That's way too much rope.
We'll shorten it.
Don't worry. Okay, this is a rope. It's gonna be tied to my little buggy here. It's just gonna hook it on, but
That doesn't look safe.
of course it doesn't look safe. A lot of things that we do, it's not safe. This is duct tape.
Really?
It's gonna be holding this camera right here.
Like this.
This is called the camera view. Camera is going to get a view of what's going to be holding on to this rope. Right there. This is Buggy. Mordecai, that's you, is going to be sitting right here, where it has the little button feet.
Hold this.
You texting bastard.
What you do, nerf it?
Yeah.
My little chicken didn't project me.
Okay, so he's going to be sitting in this here buggy with the only stop system that he has is this little brake here.
And my nipple.
And that's going to stop right there and there. And to be honest, it's not going to help him at all. But he's going to be tied to this rope, tied to the buggy. If he dies, this is going to be one of the coolest videos that's going to be on YouTube. But it's cool. He'll be cool. Alright, later.
No, keep
Yo, I'm Kimo. That's Mordecai. And this is Deadly Race Car. Don't go too fast. Remember that rule. Jump. Okay, take two. I'm Kimo. That's Mordecai. And this is Race Car Sleigh.
Not a sleigh!
Yeah, it is.
It's a rocket! Oh, I got a wedgie.
I got no comment on that one. Yeah, you know you want to keep looking. Yeah, just try not to die. You know, all over the pavement.
Don't go too fast, that won't be a problem. Let's cook it.
Just wait.
Fix it!
Fixing it.
Fix it now!
It's fixed. All right. didn't say oh shit! Here we go, take 2. You're supposed to lean forward!